Maria Jessica Aspiras Soho, born March 27, 1964, is a Filipino broadcast journalist affiliated with GMA Network. She is the host of the news magazine program Kapuso Mo, Jessica Soho on GMA, and was the news anchor for State of the Nation on GMA News TV from 2011 to 2021. Soho is a multi-awarded journalist. In 1998, Soho became the first Filipino to win the British Fleet Street Award for journalism. In 1999, Soho and the Eyewitness team received the Philippines' first Peabody Award for producing the Kidneys for Sale and Kamau documentaries. Soho's story of a hostage crisis in Cagayan Valley made her the first Filipino to win in the New York Film Festival. Maria Jessica Aspiras Soho was born on March 27, 1964, in San Fernando, La Union, Philippines. Her parents are Abelardo Soho, a government employee, and Mora Aspiras, an agriculturist. Soho's grandmothers, Sixta Apa Atang Aspiras and Concepcion Sayan Soho, influenced her in telling stories. She is of Chinese descent through her paternal grandfather with a surname Cito, later baptized as Pedro Cito later in his life, or Pedro Soho, who immigrated to the Philippines from Kaiping County, Guangdong, China, in the early 20th century. Soho attended the University of the Philippines Diliman to study mass communication. One of her professors was Luis Beltran, who inspired Soho to finish her studies and practice journalism in Manila. Soho joined GMA News, now GMA Integrated News, and GMA Public Affairs. In January 1985, Soho's first voiceover report was a feature story on the inauguration of the Manila Line 1 from Baclaran to Monumento. Soho was later assigned to the defense and military beats. In 1991, Soho earned a Bronze Award at the New York Film Festival for her coverage of a hostage crisis in Cagayan Valley, the first for a Filipino. She also received the Ca d'Oro e Valencia Award given by the Kapisanan NGMga broadcaster NG Pilipinas. In 1994, she received the grand prize from the Asia Pacific Broadcasting Union for her coverage of a breaking news story. Soho is included in the list of 100 Filipino women of distinction chosen during the Philippine Centennial celebrations. Soho helped conceptualize the one-hour documentary television program Eyewitness, which she co-presented from its premiere in 1999 to 2004. The Eyewitness documentaries Kidneys for Sale and Kamau made her the first Filipino reporter with GMA Network as the first Filipino network to win a Peabody Award in 1999. She won the Asian Television Award for Best News and Current Affairs Special for the 2001 Saksi Sa Kasaysayan documentary. In 2014, Soho's GMA News programs Kapuso Mo, Jessica Soho, and State of the Nation with Jessica Soho were recognized by the Peabody Awards for their coverage on Super Typhoon Yolanda. State of the Nation also earned Soho consecutive wins for Most Trusted News Presenter by Reader's Digest Asia. In 2015, Soho was given an honorary doctorate in humanities by the University of Northeastern Philippines during its 67th commencement exercises on April. Jessica Soho is widely regarded as one of the most respected journalists in the Philippines. Her commitment to in-depth reporting and storytelling has earned her numerous accolades and a strong following among viewers. Soho's work has been credited with setting high standards in broadcast journalism, particularly through her long-running program, Kapuso Mo, Jessica Soho. In 2022, she was recognized as one of the most trusted TV news personalities in the country, reflecting her significant influence on public opinion. Beyond her reporting, Soho has become a cultural icon, often referenced in popular media and social discussions. Her interviews and features frequently trend on social media platforms, showcasing her ability to engage with a broad audience and address pressing societal issues. In 2023, she was honored as the Global Awardee for Journalism at the 13th The Outstanding Filipino Awards TOFA held in Los Angeles, California, recognizing her exceptional contribution to journalism. In May 2013, a controversy sparked involving Soho and comedian Vice Ganda, involving a joke directed at the anchor during the latter's concert held at the Smart Araneta Coliseum in Quezon City. Vice mentioned Soho, among several other personalities, in a stand-up skit involving celebrities starring in a hypothetical pornographic film, adding that Soho would be gang-raped if she were cast, as well as making several jokes ridiculing her weight. Vice Ganda later issued a public apology during his regular appearances in It's Showtime, admitting to his wrongdoing and that he offended Soho and several others with his jokes. Soho later acknowledged Vice's apology, but she denied any intent to close any further discussion with the comedian. In June 2021, NAS Daily announced that Soho, among other known Filipino personalities, which include Miss Universe 2018 Catriona Gray, fashion designer Michael Cinco, and food vlogger Juan Husaf, would teach courses through his NAS Academy. However, following the Huang Odd controversy, Jessica Soho has made a statement that she would no longer pursue the Jessica Soho course in NAS Academy. In January 2022, Soho was accused of being biased against Bongbong Marcos, a presidential candidate in the 2020 Philippine presidential election, by his spokesman Vic Rodriguez after declining to participate in the Jessica Soho presidential interviews on GMA network. GMA responded to Rodriguez's claim on Marcos' absence, saying throughout her career, Ms. Soho has consistently been named the most trusted media personality in the Philippines by both local and foreign organizations, a testament to her embodiment of the GMA news and public affairs ethos. Walang kinikilingan, walang pinoprotektan, serbisiyong tatalamang. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.